Hey, it's Michael from Rapid Tools, and today I'd like to talk to you about blades. Do you ever get frustrated when your utility blade dulls on you halfway through a job and you expect it to last longer? You end up having to use more effort on simple cuts on cardboard, carpet, or drywall. Not only can this slow you down, but it can also be dangerous. That's where a serrated utility blade can help. Unlike standard blades, a serrated utility blade distributes cutting friction across multiple edges. The result of this? Sharper, faster cuts, and longer blade life. Let me show you. Watch this. Notice how smoothly the blade slices through the material. No fumbling, no extra pressure, no frustration. Just smooth cutting action. Our Rapid Edge serrated utility blades come in 4 different pack sizes, including our 50-pack dispenser with a belt clip. And the best part, our blades fit most standard utility knives, including our Rapid Edge models. Easy and ready for use in your favorite knife. Pick up a pack of serrated utility blades today at rapidtools.net and make every cut easier, faster, and safer.